Welcome back to Recipe Rookie. In the last episode, we tackled a full meal. Yes, it was salmon, green beans, and sweet potatoes. Today, we're starting with something simple, versatile, and let's face it, delicious. I give you bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Why bacon and eggs? It is something so simple, and yet I cannot do well. And I was like, which way should I do it? And you know what came up with a great idea? Looking at the back of a bacon package, and it says there are 3 ways to make bacon. So I thought, okay, I can do these 3 ways to make bacon and then try them and see which one's the best, and that will be the way I make bacon forever. So then there'll be one way. I'm gonna be quite the chef someday. Before we start cooking, I need to head to the store and pick up ingredients. So let's go to the store. And I am going to Giant over there again, because I need to pick up today's ingredients. So as I said, I am doing bacon and eggs, and I'm going to do 3 different ways for each item. And the reason why is because there are 3 different ways to make bacon on the package, and I knew that there are 3 different ways I can make eggs. So I believe it's microwave, in a pan, or in the oven for the bacon, and then I'm gonna do scrambled, fried, and maybe poached. All right, here we go, welcome. All right, I need to go to eggs. I still haven't learned this place yet, but I know eggs are this way. Oh, look, it even says bacon. Look at this. Ooh, I think, is that the one? Thick cut. Oh, and here are the eggs. Okay. 6. Let's go to 6 again. Okay. Let's cook. And we're back in the kitchen. Welcome back. I'm starting to learn a little bit about like where things are in the grocery store. It's amazing when you go to one and then you realize they're all pretty much set up the same. What did we get? First, these are white eggs, large. You know what I always wanted to do, and I can do it here now? I always wanted to see if I could break it. You know how they put the egg in the palm of their hand, you're supposed to hold it around and then squeeze as hard as you can? Who wants me to do it and see if it works? Let me go get a bowl though. Got a bowl. All right, ready. This egg, this is a real egg. This came from this container. So I'm gonna put it in my palm of my hand. Now I'm gonna squeeze it as hard as I can. Ready? Please don't break. I'm doing it as hard as I can. Ah! Ah! I'm doing it as hard as I can. Ah! I thought that's not supposed to happen. And look at this, I did not make a mess. Maybe a little mess. All right, let me go clean this up. Oh no, the egg got on that laptop. Oh no. Oh, look at this. Oh, don't ever do that, actually. That doesn't. All right, no, don't lick that. Bowser, no. How far did this go? Oh no, it went all, oh my gosh. Look at this. All the way over, oh my gosh.
A few moments later.
Let's get back to the show. So now we're all cleaned up, ready to go. So yes, I got eggs, as you saw. This package of 12 eggs, you ready for this? $7.39. Unbelievable, the price of eggs right now. That was a 61-cent mistake right there. We've got our eggs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left, enough to do it. So that's eggs. Next, we got bacon, 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 bacon. Seems like the internet has a huge love for bacon. You don't want to eat bacon, I don't think, every day, but every now and then. The 3 ways here, we've got a stovetop direction, an oven direction, and a microwave direction. So I will do all three with you guys, and we'll decide which way is the best way to do it. Why did the bacon break up with the egg? It couldn't handle the yolks anymore. Is everyone ready? Let's cook. Here we are. I've opened the bacon. I did not need a knife. There's no knife on today's episode. Look at this. I look like a chef now. I have like a chef towel to wipe my hands all the time. All right. Here is, oh. Here's the bacon. I gotta be a little bit careful. All right. The first way we do bacon, we're gonna do it in the oven, okay? How am I? Oh, great. All right, I'll just hold it up here. The oven says arrange bacon in a single layer in a shallow baking dish. Bake 375, 12 to 17 minutes, or until brown and crisp. Okay, I have said pan. I guess you just pull it. Okay, look at that. Oof. Okay, let's do long ways since I'm not gonna make so many because I can't eat a ton of bacon today. All right, one. Let's do three. How about three? Two. Three. Okay. Oh, was I supposed to spray the thing? It didn't say that, right? It didn't say. I'm not going to do it. I wasn't sure if you needed this, and I forgot to do it, so we don't need that. I'm going to go put that in the oven, and for, let's see, 12 to 17, is that what it says? I don't like that the 12 to 17. Let's do 15 minutes. I like 15 minutes. Let's go to the oven. I just heard the chime. It is 375. I got the Sting gloves on. Let's put the bacon in the oven for 15 minutes. That's it. Yep. Put it middle rack. Okay. Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Sure. 15 minutes. And we're starting now.
A few moments later.
3, 2, 1. Hey Google, stop. All right, let's put the Sting gloves on. Wait, hey Google, stop. Doesn't listen. Let's, oh, was I supposed to flip? No, it didn't say anything about flipping. All right, I think it might be done. Let's take a look. Look, I learned you pull that out now. Put in the comments if you've had bacon, if you like bacon from the oven, but I think that looks good. I'm gonna go put it on a plate because that is a lot of bacon fat in there. So, what's another way to make bacon? I'm so glad you asked. Microwave style. I have a plate here. It is, you're supposed to basically put a piece of a paper towel on the bottom, I believe. Let's see the directions hidden underneath the meat for some reason. If cooking, let's just say a minute per piece. If cooking more than 4, turn pan and rearrange slices halfway through cooking. Cooking times vary. Oh, well, we have AI microwave, so we're not gonna worry about that. As you saw me, put that right, put that thing where it came from. All right, so 2 pieces, 2 minutes. Let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
We open her up. Okay, it smells like bacon. Plate. Oh, I forgot to check if the plate's hot. Ah, it is. Okay. Here's what we got. Extra oil out. But it looks all right. So we're going to let that now rest. Okay. We're going to let that rest and we'll see that later when we eat. Ow! Forgot it was hot. Next way to cook bacon in a pan. I've done this before. I'm not going to lie to you. And it's never really come out great. Oh, I need to get something to put it on when it's done. So first thing I need to do, I'm going to use Pam because I always forget. Plenty. Thank you, Pam. You've had your opportunity for today. All right. Cook bacon in a skillet over medium to high heat or until brown and crisp. All right. So I have it on 6 on my, I have an electric stovetop, which I'm not a huge fan of, but that's what we have. Okay. So, all right. So now we're going to let that cook. Then I'm going to flip them over. Flip this again. Now this looks way better than it usually does. I don't know why. I don't usually make it look this good. And with all that bacon fat we're going to use to cook our eggs in. And we don't have to use any more Pam. So I like to cook the bacon first. Okay, I'm going to let's take these bacon off now. Put them on a plate, and I think we're all good for bacon. We're going to do sunny side up eggs first. Okay, who wants to do sunny side up eggs? Me, all right? So we're going to take, oh God, I almost dropped those. an egg, which I'm not gonna break. Egg right here. Okay. I am gonna break actually. See how good I am at this. Come on. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. With the bacon fat. I better turn that down. Let's turn that down to like 5. See, what I like about using the bacon fat is see how it curls up around the sides like that? Okay, ready? Look at that. You don't have to do this long. This is like a couple minutes. 2 minutes max, I think. Okay, we got our plate. So yeah, this is over easy or pan fried. Put an egg, break an egg. I like to use the bacon fat. You can use the pan. Get a little bit on the side. Let it do the other side. And then, oh God, I'm gonna burn my hand. Look at that. Bang. All right, next thing we're gonna do, the next style is gonna be scrambled eggs. This one's easy. Get a cup. Put egg in cup. Don't get any shell in. Okay, you want to mix it till it's like nice consistency. All mixed together. Okay, we head back to our pan. Okay, put that in. So get washed later. Let that go. So as we're cooking here, we're gonna just mess it up and then get it all scrambled. Some people put salt and pepper in this phase. I don't do any. I'm not gonna do anything here because you can always season it after the fact. Okay. So then you can see because of the bacon fat, it's really working easily. So I'm gonna do this. Okay. Then flip it. Flip these guys. Get it all broken up. Okay, yeah, get them all done. Grab this guy. Whoa, whoa. Flip them. Flip them. Flip them. Look at this. Can I do this? Some people do that, but we have a stove where it has to have connection with the stovetop or it doesn't work, so I can't really do that. Okay. Okay, last but not least, we have one more way to make eggs, and that's poached. And I have never made poached. Bring a pot to a gentle simmer. Then add a splash of vinegar, okay, and carefully slide an egg in. So I crack an egg and put it in the water. Okay, let's go boil. One of the things I noticed, it says when you bring the water to boil, throw some vinegar in there. I don't have any vinegar. I didn't see that part. So, and I don't have taste testers today, so it looks like I will be tasting everything. There we go. It says you put it in a bowl like this, and when I put in the water, I go clockwise slowly. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I don't believe this is gonna work. All right, here we go. Hot. Oh, was that, okay, it didn't break. It didn't break. I did it good. Next part is I think I cover it. So, I'll let that do that for a minute. Hey, Google, set a timer for 1 minute.
All right, 1 minute. Starting now.
We'll check in 3 minutes in. Bowser, what are you doing? It's looking pretty good. Hey, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Starting now.
Is that supposed to do that? Stop. Whew, this is a lot of work. Maybe because I'm making 3 different meals at one time. It probably would be like if I made one. Yeah, that would have been way easier. Yeah. All right. Hey, Google, stop timer. All right. Let's see what we got. Steam. It looks done to me. I think I might have actually pulled this off. Look at that. Put it on my little plate. I think it's time to eat. So we've got scrambled eggs with oven bacon. Okay, let's put that in there. Scrambled eggs with oven bacon. Poached egg with microwave bacon. Poached egg, microwave bacon. Egg, fried egg or egg over easy with pan bacon. Okay, right here. So let's go here. Let's just go here. Scrambled eggs. They're great. I mean, especially cooked in the bacon. It tastes wonderful and fluffy, and they have that great bacon-like taste. An 8 out of 10. Oven bacon. Look at this. That looks like I can make a commercial. Oh my God. This is the next level. Oven bacon, 10 out of 10. Poached egg and microwavable bacon. So, wow. I made a poached egg. Let's see what happens when I cut into it. Oh my! I made a poached egg! Can you see that? Look at my face out of there. Look at that. Ready? Oh. 10 out of 10. Poached egg, oven bacon right now. Microwavable bacon, as you can see. I mean, it looks all right. Well, texture a little bit rubbery, not as crisp. I'm talking with my mouth full. I'm so sorry to everyone out there that hates that. Microwave bacon, 6 out of 10. Not a huge fan of that. And last but not least, over easy fried egg and pan skillet bacon. Let's eat this, not while and talk. This is the way I probably would have usually made an egg, but after having the poached, I mean, it's not the same level. 7 out of 10. Pan bacon. Let's go with this piece. It's the best, I guess. See that? Ooh, the saltiest of all three. Okay, above microwave, below oven. It's about an 8. Another piece. That oven bacon. One more. Oh my God. I might only be able to eat oven bacon again in the future. I really want to thank everyone who are watching these videos. And if you made it this far, if you could please hit that subscribe button down below. Just sign in with your Google account, hit subscribe. It's free to do and it really helps me out. Also, hitting that thumbs up button below really helps us. And then we'll be back next Friday for another episode. I need to go plan that. And I need to clean this entire mess. The whole kitchen is completely destroyed. It's my fault. Again, leave a comment down below. I love reading the comments. Have a great day. Bye. Green potatoes. First way we do bake. So let's put the oven. Here is, oh. Ow. I forgot it was hot. Okay, here I am at this thing in my head. This is a terrible camera shot too. Ow.